Crochet this simple and warm beanie hat with only 2 stitches. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make this beautiful and super easy crochet beanie hat together. I made this hat for adult size, and for making this beanie hat we need only 2 stitches for the brim and the body of that. I used a worsted weight yarn, an acrylic worsted weight yarn for this beanie hat, and number 4.5 millimeters hook for the brim and number 5 millimeters hook for the body. This hat is a bottom-up hat, and we should start the work from the brim with making a ribbed band, and then attach 2 edges of the ribbed band and start the body of that. Let's get started. I'm gonna start the work from the brim of the beanie hat with smaller hook. Make a slip knot and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Start the first row of the brim from the second chain. Skip the first one and insert the hook into the second chain and pull up a loop and make 1 single crochet. Go to the next chain here, make 1 single crochet into that, again 1 single crochet into the next chain, and repeat this work until the end of the row. Okay, now make a chain and turn the work and start the second round with making 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Skip this chain and insert the hook under 2 loops of the stitch and make 1 single crochet, and after that make 1 back loop only single crochet into each of next 7 stitches. Here insert the hook into the back loop, not under both loops. Here make 1 single crochet into the back loop. Again go to the next stitch into the back loop of that and make 1 single crochet. One more time, 1 single crochet into the back loop of the next stitch, and repeat this work for each of next 4 stitches to have 7 back loop only single crochets. And now I'm gonna make 1 single crochet under both loops of the last stitch here under these 2 loops, and row 2 is finished, and we have 1 single crochet at the beginning, 1 at the end, and 7 back loop only single crochets in the middle. I'm gonna repeat this row. Make a chain and again turn the work and make 1 single crochet into the first stitch under both loops of that, and 1 single crochet into the middle stitches into the back loop of each of them, not under 2 loops of them. And after making these 7 back loop only single crochets, again make 1 single crochet under 2 loops of the last stitch. Row 3 is finished, and I'm gonna repeat this work. Make 1 chain and turn the work and repeat row 2 or row 3. Actually I'm gonna make a long band with repeating row 2 until the length of this band reaches the desired circumference of the head, and the number of these rows should be a multiple of 2. So I will repeat row 2, and when I reach the desired circumference I'll come back to join 2 edges of the long band together. I made 70 rows of single crochets in total, and now the ribbed band is finished. I'm gonna join these 2 edges of that together to form a tube with this ribbed band. So fold the band in half and put 2 edges of that side to side, then make a chain and join each stitch of the last row to the front stitch from row 1. Insert the hook under 2 loops of the first stitch from last row, and then directly go to the front stitch, the remaining loop of that, and yarn over, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook to create 1 slip stitch. Again join the second stitch of last row do the remaining loop of the front stitch from row 1 with slip stitch. Repeat that work for next stitches of last row and first row. Join them together with slip stitch and repeat this work for each of other stitches to reach the end. Okay, after joining all stitches together, turn the work to the right side and see this invisible join. And now our brim is ready. For starting the body of the beanie hat, remove the smaller hook and continue the work with larger hook. Make a chain and make 1 single crochet into this hole here and hide the tail through the work. After that, go at top of the first row of the brim and make 1 single crochet under these 2 loops at top of the row and hide the tail. Again, go at top of the second row of the brim and then make 1 single crochet into this hole, hiding the tail. One more time, go at top of the next row and insert the hook under these 2 loops. Make 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet into the next hole at top of the next row. And repeat these 2 stitches for other rows of the brim. Make 1 single crochet at top of each row of the brim to reach the end, and at the end of the first round of the body, the number of stitches should be equal to the number of rows of the brim. I'll continue this work and then I'll come back. Now I'm at the end of the last round of the body. Make 1 slip stitch into the first single crochet and start the second round with making 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and after that make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, go to the base of the single crochet, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then skip the next stitch of round 1 and go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into that. Again, skip the next, go to the next, make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. One more time, skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet. And repeat this sequence. Skip 1 stitch and make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the next, and continue this sequence until the end of the round 2. After making the second round of the body, skip the last stitch and make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, and then start next round. But before starting next round, make a chain and turn the work so that the wrong side of the hat facing, and then make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into this stitch, this slip stitch, 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Then skip next stitch, that's a double crochet, and go at top of next stitch or this single crochet and make 1 repeat of single crochet and double crochet at top of that. Again, skip the next double crochet and make next group of single crochet and double crochet at top of the next single crochet of previous round. One more time, skip the double crochet and make one single crochet and one double crochet at top of the next single crochet, and continue this sequence. We're gonna make one group of single crochet and double crochet at top of each single crochet of previous round and skip all of double crochets. Continue this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end of round 3 after making the last group. Skip the last double crochet and last single crochet of the previous round because we made the first group into the joining slip stitch instead of this single crochet. Okay, so skip that and make one slip stitch at top of the first single crochet of the round, make a chain and turn the work to the right side of the beanie hat and repeat previous round. Make one single crochet and one double crochet into this stitch, this joining slip stitch, instead of this single crochet. One and one double crochet. Skip the double crochet of the previous round and make one single crochet and one double crochet at top of the next single crochet, and repeat this sequence. We're gonna make one single crochet and one double crochet at top of each single crochet of previous round and skip all of double crochets and continue this sequence until the end of the round 4. At the end of round 4, again skip the last 2 stitches and make one slip stitch into the beginning single crochet and repeat round 3. Actually, these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, should be repeated to reach the desired height for the beanie hat. So at the beginning of each round, make a chain and turn the work and make one group of single crochet and double crochet into the joining stitch and skip all double crochets of previous round and work these groups at top of all of single crochets, and again make a slip stitch at the end of the round and make a chain and turn the work to another side of the beanie hat. These 2 rounds should be repeated until you reach the desired height. I will repeat these 2 rounds, round 3 and round 4, and then I'll come back. I repeated those 2 rounds several times, and now this is the texture of our hat. And I'm going to measure the height of the beanie hat from the beginning. That's 21 centimeters, and that's enough. And now I'm gonna start the crown of the hat by decreasing the number of stitches. So after turning the work to the right side, make a chain and start the first round of the crown by make a decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches, not this joining stitch here, this double crochet and next single crochet. Insert the hook into the front loop of the double crochet and directly go to the front loop of the next single crochet and yarn over, pull through these 2 loops and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, go to the next 2 stitches, double crochet and single crochet and decrease them together. Insert the hook into the front loop of both of them and then yarn over, pull through, and then yarn over, pull through these 2 loops on the hook. Repeat that work for the next 2 stitches. Next double crochet and next single crochet, pull a loop from both of them and then yarn over, pull through these 2 loops to create a decrease single crochet and continue this work for each of next double crochets and single crochets of next groups. Continue until the end of the round. At the end, make one slip stitch into the beginning decrease stitch and without turning to the wrong side, continue the work in the same direction. Start the second round with making one chain and again make decrease stitch over these 2 stitches. The first single crochet and the second single crochet. Again, decrease next 2 single crochets together and continue making decrease stitches over each of next 2 single crochets until the end. Okay, for next round or the last round of the crown, you can repeat the previous round and make 1 decrease single crochet over each of these 2 stitches of 18 stitches of previous round to have 9 stitches at the end of the 3rd round. Make 1 decrease stitch over each 2 stitches of previous round and repeat that work. Okay, now our circle become very small, and make a chain and leaving a long tail. Cut the yarn and pull that, and then weaving this tail through a needle, and after that weaving that through the front loop of each stitch of the last round. Pull that again, front loop of the next stitch, and repeat that work for other stitches to reach the beginning point again. Okay, now pull the yarn tightly to close the hole completely. Okay, and then pull the yarn to the back from the center. This is our work at top of our beanie hat. Turn the hat to the wrong side and make some stitches to secure this hole at top of the beanie hat. Cut the yarn and hide the tail through the stitches, and turn the work to the right side again, and after that attach a pom-pom if you want to have a beautiful and cute beanie hat. And now this is our beautiful crochet beanie hat. I hope you like this video and make this a beautiful beanie hat and enjoy that. Have a nice day.